What's up, online shoppers? I know you're here because you're curious about the SoloWave Rejuvenating Neck and Chest Mask. Now, this was gifted to me by the brand for the purpose of a review, and I've lived with this for about a month, and I want to share with you my do's and don'ts. So essentially, this is like a product guide for the SoloWave Rejuvenating Neck and Chest Mask, and hopefully this can help you make your decision. Now, first of all, I want to share with you a quick little product overview. The SoloWave Neck and Chest Mask is a flexible medical grade mask designed to hug your neck and your chest comfortably and securely. I know you want to know what it looks like turned on, so we're going to take the cordless remote control right here. That's the thing. You get to walk around with this. You are not stuck to a wall outlet. As long as you can tuck this somewhere like a pocket or into a strap, you're good to go. Dual light wavelengths. It has 630 nanometers of red light for surface wrinkles and things like that. And then it has 830 nanometers of near infrared light. Now that is light that our eye cannot see. So what you're seeing right now is just the red light, but there's actually two of them working. That near infrared light is for deeper collagen support. USB-C charger right here, and then plug it into the wall, and 2 hours later it is ready to go. I use this one consistently every day, and honestly I'm charging it about once every 3 weeks. Large strap, or you can use the small strap. So this is something that's truly customizable. All you have to do is switch out for the longer strap right here. Now, if you're wondering if you need anything else to go along with the mask, I do have a suggestion. This is the SoloWave Light Boost Activating Serum. You can use it with all of the SoloWave products. You can use it with the Rejuvenating Neck and Chest Mask. You can use it with their SoloWave wand, which is a powerful little awesome beauty tool for face and other places. You can also use this with the SoloWave Rejuvenating Face Mask. And as far as what's in this awesome little serum, peptides, vegan collagen, provitamin D to help boost your hydration and the impact of the light therapy. Now let's get into the do's and don'ts. My first do for you is do use this consistently. Now I'm going to start with the light boosting collagen, and I'm just going to rub it in all the places in here. I always put this on before I use this because I just love how hydrated and lush my skin feels after I'm done. Consistency is key, and you're probably going to see something around the 4-week mark. That was sort of when I started noticing changes in this. Also, do make sure you can get it right next to your skin like I have. It's more effective if it doesn't have to go through clothing, but it can go through clothing. My other do, as I said before, is do give this a try if you're open to it. I just really like the results, and I think that this is key to help accelerate everything. My next do track your progress. Take before and after pictures so that you can see for yourself the results that this is having on your overall beauty routine. And I would say take the pictures in the same consistent kind of light. Stand somewhere, maybe in front of a window where you have really nice, good natural light, and take a picture, and then take a picture at the 4-week mark and compare your results and see the difference. You're probably going to see subtle improvements in skin tone, fine lines, or maybe even you'll see a radiance boost like I have. And with consistency, those results will continue to improve over time. My next do is do treat your neck and your chest like your face. Because the thing is, these areas here are often really exposed to sunlight and wear and tear, but we often forget to take care of them. This device here is designed exactly for doing that. And if you blend it into your routine, just 10 minutes a day, because remember, this little remote's going to auto shut off after 10 minutes, you can help fight those signs of early aging in this area. And my last do for you, do relish the ritual. Now, I don't know about you, but I tend to neglect self-care, and little treats like this on the daily basis are the way that I've started to prioritize myself. It's not tight or uncomfortable. It actually is kind of like a warm hug. It's not hot, but you can definitely feel the warmth in this area. I just look forward to that feeling of comfort and soothing. It is how I start my day. I basically put on the boost serum, put on the mask, pick up my wand, and then I sit for 10 minutes, have a cup of coffee, and just wake myself up with my wand, with my mask, and then I'm ready to start the day. And I feel like I know a secret, like I did something extra for me. And then the built-in timer, it shuts the mask off and tells me it's time to get started with my day. Now, if those are all the do's, let me tell you about some of the don'ts. First of all, you don't want to use this if you are photosensitive, if if you are under 18 or if you are pregnant. And it's always best to check with a healthcare provider before you start using something like this. 2, do not expect magic transformations. This is a device about consistency. Although I jokingly say this little device is magic, it's really the consistency that's the magic. Over time, with steady use, I have noticed an improvement in skin tone, a reduction in wrinkles, and an overall improvement in the glow of my skin. It's subtle and effective, and the reason I know that is because 1, I've documented it, take your pictures, and 2, use it consistently, and you will see what I'm talking about. Number 3, do not forget your sunscreen. If you're going to show up consistently and use a little device like this one, don't undo all the work by not putting on sunscreen. It's like put sunscreen on your face, put sunscreen on your neck and your décolleté, because you want the work that you're doing to be maintained or shielded from the harmful rays of the sun. Number 4, when you are done with this awesome little device, don't just toss it in the bag. Let it sit for a couple minutes just to come back to room temperature. Like I said, it's not hot, but it is warm, so you don't want to have anything building up on here. Just a quick wipe with a damp cloth to help this maintain its condition and its durability. And my 5th, don't replace all other skincare with this. Definitely keep applying your sunscreen, applying your moisturizers, doing your massage and your gua sha. Think of this as a powerful enhancer, not your end all and be all. So a quick little summary before I go. 1, start with the Light Boost Activating Serum. 2, be consistent. Commit to a minimum of 3 treatments a week, but if you can do it every day, absolutely do it. 3, use sun care. You are going to want to keep the sunscreen applied so you don't undo all of the benefits of the work you've done. 4, track your progress. And 5, clean and store your mask carefully. So there you go. I hope that helps you to make a decision and helps you to get the most out of your SoloWave Rejuvenating Neck and Chest Mask. With consistency, you will definitely enjoy the end result, just like I have. That's why this is a family favorite at my house.